Are you ready to taste some pop? Pop's not good for you.
I'm good.
We're gonna be tasting pops. We have. Make sure I get
You
them all.
didn't introduce.
This is my girlfriend, Allie, or Alicia, and everybody knows me because it's my channel. Anywho, we have Shasta Cola. Doesn't focus. Regular Coca-Cola. Puma Cola. I'm interested to try that one because it looks cool. Faygo, which is only in the Midwest, so can't get it anywhere else, as far as I know. Pepsi and RC Cola.
It's already been drank.
That's already been opened, so we know what it tastes like, but it's okay.
Let's see, can.
We can start with Shasta. I think that's how you say it, right? Am I saying it right?
Shasta.
Shasta Cola.
Shasta.
Can opening ASMR. Everybody likes that. I already drank a bunch of these, so I already know what it tastes like, but we're going to compare them to the other ones. Clink. Swirl it around, you know, smell it like wine. Pop.
Actually, I don't like that one, so
I think this one's not bad.
I think it tastes.
Do you want to rate them as we go, or do you want to wait till the end?
Wait till the end.
Okay. It definitely doesn't fizz as much as other pops. Don't spill it on my computer. Alright. Now we're on to...
I want to open it.
Okay, you can open it. Puma Cola. You gotta open it up next to the mic. We gotta give everybody the opening ASMR.
Wait, is
like
it twist off?
Yeah, it's just twist off.
Twist off, it says. Right here.
Yep. Ooh.
Out of cap. Like booty hole.
I don't know what this is gonna taste like.
You gotta drink them all, babe.
I know.
That was a.
That was a pretty good one.
That was
There's gonna be a lot of those. We'll just make it like a burping montage. I'll just let them out.
It smells. This smells bad. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
It doesn't taste like cola. It tastes kind of like a root beer. I like it.
Tastes like flat root. Everything tastes
This
flat.
is craft soda.
Like that. I don't know. It kind of tastes like a cream root beer. Like
Like a cream cola, not quite cream soda.
no, like a cream root beer.
Yeah, but it's like cola. Dark pop. I guess I could have included Dr. Pepper, but Dr. Pepper is like not cola.
I don't like that one at all.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, we'll save Pepsi and Coke for last. Oh boy. That's the candy you're talking about?
Yep. And then the bottle caps. Oh, at 10%. That's what I think they taste like.
Yeah, it definitely tastes like. Now that you mention it, it tastes like those like hard bottle caps. Yeah. Okay. Now we're on to Faygo, which I mentioned before. Faygo? How do you say it? What did I say?
Faygo.
I did not butcher it. I said Faygo. Hearing things. Faygo, which is only in Midwest, I think. So, sucks to be anywhere else.
You didn't put it up there.
Yep, that one tastes like cola.
No.
It's not as flat tasting as this one.
I think when I compare every drink, I compare McDonald's. Honestly.
This one tastes like a McDonald's Coke, like a fountain drink. I think so. I like that one. I might be biased because I like Faygo pops.
I'd say my rating right now is Faygo, the Shasta, and that one's just nice.
The Puma Cola, you don't even want to rate it?
I don't know what to rate.
Wow. Okay. Now we're on to RC Cola.
I forgot what this one tasted like.
This one's very carbonated tasting, although we opened this one like last week, so it might be flat.
Yeah, did it even fizz?
I don't think so.
Yep, that's a flat boy.
Yep, it's flat. Well, oops.
It doesn't taste bad flat though.
Honestly, still tastes pretty good flat, but I've never had a problem with flat pop.
No, Coke tastes disgusting flat. This tastes not that bad.
Alright, now we're down to the final two, which are the two that always go head to head, which are Pepsi and Coke. Probably gonna make the microphone peak. Alright, so Pepsi, which isn't technically a cola, Pepsi. I think they make a big deal about it. Isn't that like in a commercial where it's like it's not cola, it's Pepsi? Alright, this is Pepsi, which everybody knows what it tastes like, I think. Unless you're a Pepsi hater.
I don't like Pepsi.
Really? Are you a Pepsi hater? Is this what's happening right now?
Honestly.
I'm making you drink poison? Is that what's going on?
Honestly, yes. The Gargoyle King. Riverdale.
I never watched that show. Remember? I'm trying to think of something from Stranger Things to quote, but...
That one demon.
The Demogorgon? That's one. I'm gonna have to put all these back in the fridge.
They're all gonna go flat.
And they're all gonna go flat. So I don't even know what to do. Now, on the last one that we have, which is Coca-Cola. I don't know who doesn't like Coca-Cola.
Pepsi drinkers?
Pepsi drinkers don't like Coca-Cola. We'll see if this one, after tasting all those other ones, if this one still tastes as good as we think. There it is.
Oh, that's enough.
So I thought, I'm going to rate all the colas. Obviously, this isn't all of them, because you can't get them all in one place, and I didn't feel like waiting. Honestly.
I don't know, I just don't have taste in my mouth.
Maybe we, burned them. Is that what pop does? It tastes good for a while, and then your taste buds are actually just fried. So, my lineup is, which you can't see it from the camera, but I'll hold them up, is first we have Faygo Cola. I think I like that one the most. It tasted like Coke, but I think it was just a little bit better. And next we have Coca-Cola. Second, very close second, because they're basically identical. I think they were, at least.
Yeah, because it's flat.
What was flat?
This
one? Oh yeah, that's true. This one, when it's not flat, it's very fizzy, which makes it so I can't drink very much of it. But that one's got third. Pepsi in fourth, because it's Pepsi, not Coke. Then we have our Shasta Cola. It's still a cola, but just not as good as the rest. And then last, we have Puma Cola, which I actually liked it, but it didn't taste like cola. So, I don't know. Now, Allie's going to give her listings of...
There we go. Faygo.
Then
First. I'm holding up first. I held that up first.
we should have done first place last, and it's alright.
No.
Because then you keep the suspense, oh, what's Coca-Cola going to get?
Coca-Cola second. Thanks. Then Pepsi. Sadly. But the other ones tasted like booty.
One of them was flat, that's not bad.
Then RC. Me and my RC.
I think that's just the same. It's just RC Cola.
But it's me and my...
Or I guess RC stands for Royal Crown.
Yeah.
Huh?
And the Shasta Cola. And then this one's just not even on the scale, because this one I just...
You didn't even scale it, wow.
tasted like garbage.
I don't think it tasted that bad.
I think it did.
I think you're a hater on craft colas. Craft sodas.
It's fire brewed, so...
Well, that sounds pretty awesome.
Hi.
No.
Go for it.
So say...
You say.
No, I want you to.
No, you say.
I do it hundreds of times. I want you to do it one time.
Babe. Bye! Like and subscribe.
There you go, yeah. If you like the video, subscribe. Or, no, if you like the video, like it. If you want to see more, subscribe. And what I always say is that I'll see you guys later. What do you say? See you guys?
See you guys later.
Perfect.